Hello and welcome to Canada Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this beautiful Jura F8 espresso machine, and let's go ahead and pull a shot. We're using water instead of milk to test the frother. This just allows us to not have to clean the frother again. But you'll see it's sucking water nicely. Oh, we gotta open the switch. So it sucks the water out of the cup nicely. There we have a shot of espresso, and I just wanted to show you something else. We replaced this hose, and you can see it's full of algae. Of course, everyone's going to ask me, how do you prevent algae from building up in your system? And to be honest, I don't know. And I don't know how it got there in the first place. But if anybody has any ideas about how to prevent algae, please make comments in the comment section. But anyways, we replaced it, so it's no longer in there. And so thank you for watching with Canada Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.